Welcome to my honest review of the Money Manager Expense and Budget app, a tool that promises to simplify personal financial management by tracking expenses, managing income, and setting monthly budgets. In this video, I'm going to show you everything from the initial interface and setup to actual usage patterns and features based on my own experience. As soon as you launch the app, you're welcomed by a relatively clean dashboard, though some users might find the layout slightly outdated compared to modern UI trends. The main screen displays your current balance, daily expenses, and the overall progress of your monthly budget. Navigation is fairly intuitive once you get used to it, but some tabs are not labeled as clearly as they could be, which may cause confusion in the beginning. Setting up your first account is straightforward. You can choose between cash, bank, or credit card accounts and input your starting balance. Transactions can be logged manually or imported via CSV, though automated bank sync is only available in the paid version. This limitation may be frustrating if you're used to apps like Mint or YNAB where syncing is seamless. The budgeting feature allows you to allocate money across categories like food, transportation, and entertainment. You can set both monthly and weekly limits. If you go over budget in any category, the app flags it clearly, which is helpful. However, it doesn't provide proactive alerts. You'll only see issues when you open the app yourself. Now let's talk about expense tracking. Adding an expense is simple. Choose a category, amount, and date, and optionally attach a photo of a receipt. The categorization is customizable, which is a plus, but again, this is done manually unless you've upgraded to Premium. Recurring transactions can be scheduled, and the calendar view gives a clear picture of your spending patterns over time. One of the app's stronger points is its reporting and analytics section. There are pie charts, bar graphs, and breakdowns by category and time period. This helps visualize spending habits effectively. However, exporting these reports for use in Excel or other apps requires the paid version. It's worth noting that the free version does not support cloud backup, so all your data is stored locally unless you subscribe. Many useful links you can find in the description. Security-wise, the app supports passcode and biometric lock, which is essential for a financial tool. Unfortunately, there's no two-factor authentication, which could be a concern for users who prioritize security. Additionally, there's no integration with third-party financial apps or investment tracking tools. The premium version unlocks features like ad removal, Excel export, cloud sync, and passcode recovery. While the one-time payment model is more affordable than subscription-based apps, the free version feels very limited by comparison, which pushes users toward upgrading fairly quickly. One thing I found particularly frustrating is the lack of customer support. There's a help section, but it's minimal, and there's no live chat or quick way to get answers if you run into issues. It also lacks a desktop version, which might be a deal breaker for people who manage their finances on larger screens. Overall, Money Manager Expense and Budget is a decent app for beginners or people who want a basic, offline-first budgeting tool. It's lightweight, functional, and does what it promises, but the limitations in the free version and outdated design hold it back from being a top-tier finance app. If you're considering this app, weigh the pros and cons based on how important features like automation, syncing, and modern UI are to you. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more honest app reviews, and leave a comment below with your experience or any questions about the app.